Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be harvesting a few bits. We've got this Kelsae onion here, folded at the top there, just a good indication that it's ready. So get this bulb. These are only in 5 litre pots, really small. Wipe so it's dry. Decent sized onion, nice and firm. And we've also got a cucumber over here. I'll bring you in a bit closer for that. So these are Market More cucumbers, and I've already had a couple. There's a couple that are growing on the wrong side of the trellising, so I need to get them out whilst they're still small. The other one just leave in for a bit longer. So there's an onion and 2 cucumbers from in here. Bit of garlic drying out there. Here. Right, go and have a look, see what else we can pick. Some lovely flowers on these peas. These are the Kent Blues from Bill and Val. Loads of flowers on these courgettes. And quite a few strawberries we can pick. I'll get them picked after. Right. I'll come and pick a few leaves off that lettuce after. These cut and come agains are brilliant. Just cut them right back. Take a few leaves. And that'll do. Jesus, didn't notice he'd got that big. Let's get the scissors on that. So, all green courgette. Another one starting on that there. Got last of the cabbages to come out, and planted all sprouts in here. That's a nice little cabbage. Not sure on the variety of this one, but go in the basket. Come and get him in a minute. Right, so next up is radishes. There's quite a few of these. Good to go. These are the Sparkler 3, and then the Cherry Bell on the other end. Going to take one of these buckets of Duke of Yorks. These are the second batch, starting to fall over now, so we'll take one of them. Right, so these are the Duke of York, and they're the second batch that's on. Alright guys, so sorry about that. Ended up running out of memory on the phone halfway through recording, but we ended up doing 2 buckets. Second bucket much better, and I think that's down to the first one was in the middle and it might not have got watered as much as the other 2. But there's a pot of potatoes there. Let's see what else we can find. Right, so up in the small polytunnel, we've got another cucumber here to come. Might take one of these lettuces whole and give these a chance to grow a bit more. But we've got plenty of tomatoes to pick. A few in there. And we've got loads coming on all these other ones now. Don't forget, keep tickling them just to help pollination. Seems, I think something's been in here and had them off. And something's also been in and had a load of my strawberries off. Aubergine starting there. Right, so I'll get these tomatoes picked. And if you haven't already guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment let me know what you're harvesting now, or if there's anything specific that you'd like me to make a video on, let me know, and if I can, I'll do it. There's a nice few tomatoes there. I'll get picking the rest of them strawberries. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. So we've got 3 cucumbers, one of the onions from seed, an onion from set, got bolted, courgette, some sparkler 3 and cherry bell radishes, some strawberries, some Duke York potatoes, some cut and come again lettuce, cabbage, not sure on the variety, I can't remember that, and some tomatoes. Right guys, so thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.